You are watching my videos, aren't you? Hello friends, this is Yogita and you're watching English Finishing School. In this video, we are going to talk about question tags. Now why are they called question tags and how are they different from questions? Tags. You must have gone to a mall or a shopping center to buy some garments, buy some articles. You have often tags. So what do you mean by tags? Means they are attached. They are attached to tell you all about the product. Similarly, question tags do not exist independently. They are attached with the declarative sentences to add more charm and more information to it. And definitely they make your communication impressive when you use it. Most of the times your teachers in your classrooms, sometimes effective speakers use question tags to make their communication effective. You are a good girl, aren't you? So this is how to affirm back. You are asking a question in the form of a fragment that is a question tag. So let us discuss how question tags are formed in sentences. First sentence. Question tags are always based on the kind of tense we use in a sentence. Let us look at the first sentence. She likes outings. Now this is an example of a simple present tense. Now whenever we make interrogative of a simple present, we bring does, do before in the beginning. So here she likes outings. So we'll have to pick the question tag according to the helping verb does, because this is singular and we use does as a singular verb. So we'll say doesn't she? Whenever we have a positive declarative statement in place, we will use a negative question tag. She likes outings, doesn't she? And whenever we have a negative statement in place, we will use a positive question tag. We will not add not to it. She does not work here, does she? So you are just adding a question fragment to the main sentence. Let us look at another example. You are a good girl. This is again the example of a simple present. You are a good girl, aren't you? Again we have a positive statement. So we are making a question tag in negative, aren't you? She is not dull. Again we have a negative statement in place. So we will make a positive question tag, not will not be there. Is she? And remember, the helping verb used in the question tag is always according to the tense. Always that helping verb is present, already present. She helped her friend. Now here, this is the example of a simple past tense where second form is used. And we know when we make a question in simple past, we use did. So we'll make a question tag with did only. She helped her friend. This is a positive simple past. So we'll make a question tag in negative, did not she? Or we can say as a contraction, didn't she? These all are contractions. I have added an apostrophe. So these are all are contractions we have used here. Look at another example. Raina did not inform. So this is the example of negative simple past. So we'll make a question tag in positive, did she? Using the same helping verb which is used in simple past. They were at home. Again we have this helping verb weren't they? Myra was not watching TV. So we have a negative continuous, past continuous. So we'll say was she? Then Ruby will call her. So we have simple future tense in place. Won't she means will not she? My mother will not blame. So here we have a simple future negative sentence. So we'll say will she? So this is how question tags are used in day-to-day communication, and use them and make your communication smarter. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like the video, subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon next to it to get all the updates about the future videos. Thank you for watching.